Hi guys, my name is Lorena. I would like to update my video about Ebates. First of all, let's learn a little about Ebates. Company overview. Founded back in 1998, is steadily grown into one of the largest pre-member-based savings programs in the US. In fact, more than 10 million members have already earned over 800 million in cash back. Wow! They have 10 million plus members. Wow, that's a lot. And the rating is great, is A plus. So for sure a lot of people knows about Ebates, and for sure there's a lot doesn't know yet. Or maybe you guys is heard about Ebates and you're wondering what is Ebates is. So let's go try to learn about Ebates. There are free website and committed to always remain free. That allows us to earn cashback on our online courses, and some made in store without having to sign up for another credit card. Using Ebates is easy as clicking on their link for the retailer you'd like to shop, whether on Amazon, Kohl's, Walmart, Groupon, and many more. Then completing qualifying courses. I have been a member of this site since January 2018, and people ask all the time, is Ebates is legit? When I got my first paid, it was $29.75, and before I proved yes, it is legit, 29 something on my PayPal account, because I linked right away my account. So when I checked my PayPal account, I got 29.75 cents. So yes, it is legit. Okay, I joined a lot. I signed up a lot of cashback. There's so many out there. I sign up cashback, more than 10 kind of cashback program, but this is one of my favorite cashback. Yeah, it's very convenient and easy to use. And let's talk about how does Ebates work, okay? So most of you are probably familiar with affiliate marketing. Basically, businesses partner with individuals or other businesses to give kickbacks for customer referrals, okay, like your referrers, and you can get some reward from referring to refer their business. Okay, if I tell you that there is a great deal over at Amazon today, okay, and you click through my affiliate link and make a purchase, I earn small commission from Amazon. Ebates has created a system where they partner with over 2,000 online retailers to refer customers via affiliate links. Ebates get a commission for your qualifying purchases made through their links, and they then give portions of that commission to you. When you're about to make an online purchase, just visit Ebates and click through their link to your favorite or preferred retailer. They will advertise upfront how much cashback you will receive from your qualifying purchase. Most of them is around 3% to 6%, okay? I occasionally spot offers up to 25% off or more, so it's well worth your time to take extra Ebates tip. Actually, just last month, they have promotion. If you purchase 45 or more on Sam's Clubs, they will give you $10 extra for that. So I personally did that. So I earned $10 extra. Okay, a few of my favorite stores that are Ebates eligible: Amazon, Groupon, Macy's, Sephora. You know, Sephora is like a makeup things for beauty shop. Okay, Staples, Walmart, Kohl's, Overstock, eBay, Sam's Club, Best Buy, and many more. Okay, it is important to pay attention to category restriction on some retailer for earning cashback, which is why I keep saying qualifying purchase. For some retailer like Amazon, you can only earn from Ebates if you're shopping for certain things. For example, right now you can only earn on purchase and home, furniture, Amazon, video, and several other departments. Your earnings through Ebates accumulate on quarterly basis, meaning they only pay out on fixed date throughout the year. Those payments dates are February 15, May 15, August 15, and November 15 to qualify for payout. You must have a balance of at least $5.01. They let you choose whether to receive your big paycheck or you link your PayPal account. So if you link your PayPal account, they will send your payout directly to your PayPal. Ebates is not only cashback, they have a reward program. Okay, you can ask, how can I increase my earnings? Okay, refer your friends. Ebates usually give you $5 for every friend you refer. That's make 25 purchases. Big bonuses are usually available as well. For example, you might get an extra $40 when two friends join and make purchases. Right now, the referral earning is $25. If you refer and someone sign up on your link, the person click on your link will get $10 bonus, and you will get $25 referral payouts. Okay, or you might win a family trip to Disney World and so on. So they have a different bonuses. It's depend how they do. They have they have the certain bonuses. I'm not sure every month or every 3 months or quarterly. It depends to them. Okay, one of I really like about Ebates is they have this Ebates buttons. After you sign up on Ebates, install the Ebates button. Because I can't tell you how many times I have forgotten to visit Ebates first and leave money on the table because of that oversight. They now have a browser extension that will alert you when a site you're shopping on is eligible for cashback through Ebates. It will also tag your internet search results, whether through Google or Yahoo or Bing, to show you which merchants will allow you to earn cashback through Ebates. No lagging and or clicking through Ebates required. It's been a game changer. So get the Ebates app. Ebates now has a smartphone app as well. You can get it for Android, iPhone, or iPad. It's lets you access your account on the go, so you always know where you stand on pending rewards. It does more much than that. However, you can also get an in-store coupon. Scan barcodes to compare products prices, discover last-minute deals, and more. And Shop Double Cashback Store. Ebates features a section of affiliate store offering double cashback percentage. New stores may come and go from the section, so it's great idea to check back regularly. There are usually other special promotion available during the holiday shopping seasons as well, especially on Black Friday. Any store cashback, you can even earn cashback from Ebates shopping in a store now. 2. You simply add a credit card to your Ebates account, only Visa or American Express right now. When you find an Ebates deal you love, you click link offer to connect it to the credit card of your choice, and you're done. Use that credit card to make your purchase in a store and earn cash from Ebates as usual. You can even do this on the fly from their app. Ebates Cashback Visa. Ebates also allow you to double dip on your earning. When using their Cashback Visa credit card, you will earn an additional 3% cashback on every qualifying purchase you make online. Using Ebates, you can earn 1% cashback. Everywhere else, you can use your Visa card. They're also offering $10 bonus on your first purchase for a limited time, and it's work with the Apple Pay. How do I sign up? Just click my link to get started. It doesn't cost anything to join. And with the new Ebates button on your browser, no additional work is required. This is one of the easiest way on the planet to make money online. And if you click my link, you will get $10 bonus when you sign up using my link. You will receive that on your account after you purchase $25 or more. And then you can do referral too. Refer to your family, friend, whoever you want to refer, and you can earn referral. Right now is big referral is $25. Every refer you made, you can refer, maybe 4 friends, then you could earn $100. If you refer 8 friends, family, you could earn $200, or you can refer whatever, how many you want. So just 8 friends, you could earn $200. Okay, guys. So I hope this will get you some overview. What is Ebates? Is how Ebates work. If you have any question or comments, or you using a different cashback, please share all of those. I would love to hear all the cashback you're using, and all your question, all your comment. Please comment below, and I would love to read all of those. If you have a question, I will try my best to answer as much I can as soon as possible. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching, and thank you advance for using my link, and hope the best for everyone. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.